this will back a little bit and that will back a little bit.
Sounds good.
Those bikes are
State of the art and motor mount.
hold it out. Turn it off. Well,
You had to, huh? Throw some rocks in it. Let's see if they make it.
that's close. You get better at it. Still gonna beat
By the time anybody gets a second shovel in there, everything's gone through.
Yeah, that's ballsy, man. You could have chewed your arm off.
I know. Motor housing. Covered.
Couple nights of redneck work right there.
That really is.
Look at that nice slope. That's a beautiful slope for throwing dirt in there.
Oh yeah. See if it's true.
Alright, so when we true this thing, just gonna use something against the frame as a reference. Put the marker on it. Hold the marker as still as possible so it just draws on the high side, or on the side that's pushing out farther. I'm using different color markers so that I know if we made adjustments and it's actually fixing it. Yeah, so we got a lot of red here, so we need to push this in a little bit. And it was only about an 1/8 inch off. So
Are those ones we already tried to adjust? I guess we'll have no way of knowing.
I don't know, we didn't mark them.
Yeah.
But these both need to go about 1/8 inch over. I should actually mark that too to see if I'm actually moving it. There. And then here. This is gonna need a new hole. Yeah, because it doesn't have anywhere to go. So I have to put a new hole just right next to it.
A little drill action. Your hand is lucky you're good at that.
Looking good.
We have one little hop,
Yep.
and it's on that other red spot.
Yep. So I was gonna
see the red marker.
do 2 of them. So go ahead and kill it.
Okay.
And now we'll bust out the green marker.
It's close.
Looks like it's about an 8. About an 1/8 inch off. You know, at the.
Yeah, 1/4. It's close.
All right, we got some green on there. So shut her down.
Oh, it's up here.
So it was pretty close to that red.
Yep, it's just this
It's
one
right next to
here.
it. Yeah.
So we gotta move. See if you can just hand adjust that.
Okay, let me mark it again. So I'll mark where it started off, and it's not moving, so I'll have to re-drill it.
Yeah. Just a hair over, huh?
Yeah. I think once we do this one, it'll be good.
Yeah.
Be good enough for the worms that we deal with.
Yeah, we don't have the classiest worms, so that's
Oh, that's probably gonna be perfect.
all right, turn on. Let's see how we are. Oh, it's barely moving.
I think that's about as true as it's gonna get. So we need to slide this wheel over now.
Okay. It's a lot quieter than it used to be.
Yeah.
Let me check the other one, see how true that is. think this one's still pretty good.
Oh, that one's beautiful.
Yeah. So red is our idlers, black is our drive. Here's the fuel rod. Got our motor protector platform. It's an old gun target.
It fits. Took off a little more than I needed to. That's alright. Flathead screws should never have been invented.
No.
I guess they had to start somewhere.
That's the nicest looking part of this whole thing. Put it up.